Hello, my name is Brett Womack, and this is my comprehensive project video for literacy assessment and interventions with Dr. Sarah Broman Miller. After watching the other videos that were examples for us, I realized that some people are a lot more creative than I am, and I'm just going to talk about the semester, kind of what we did, the lessons that I took away from it, and all of that. So just to start with the semester, with the 9 weeks of tutoring, the quizzes and chapter reads, the discussion boards, the extra credit opportunities, and this RISE certificate that we are getting able to do, there has been a lot of work crammed into this semester that we've all been through. Just to touch base on the tutoring side, this was something new for me and probably new for most of us. But I was able to tutor my son for 9 weeks and getting to see where his reading skills were when we started, to see where they were about halfway through, and to see where they finished at for the semester was really cool to see him at school and the stuff that I worked with at home. A couple of the things within the lesson plans that we did with the Dibbles test, the Garfield survey, just with that Dibbles test, having my son read some passages and to be able to tell where he is at on his reading level, what we needed to focus on for the semester and continue to focus on as we're doing all these tutoring sessions. The Garfield survey definitely changed my son's outlook on reading. When we first started this, he was not a comfortable reader. This was not a strong subject for him, and his attitude toward reading was pretty low. As we went through working on what he struggled at and getting him better as a reader, getting him more confident in his abilities, then he started to want to read more at home. He would come home and he'd have a book, and he would say that him and two of his friends are reading the same book at school, and then they are talking about it at recess or in between different things in the classroom. So that was cool to see him and his friends do that on their own and be able to talk about what they were reading. The discussion boards, that really helped me throughout the semester, submitting lesson plans, getting ideas on how I could do things better, what I was doing well at. And so just hearing the feedback I received from my peers really helped me in my lesson planning writing. And that is something I will definitely use in the upcoming semester as I'm student teaching and into the following years after that when I'm in my own classroom. The quizzes and chapter reads, we read a lot, and there were a lot of great chapters and things to look for within our classroom. Now that we are able to do this RISE certificate, I'm about halfway through with that. Some great material in there to help students identify the vowels and how they sound, how to mark them. This is all stuff I wish I would have learned when I was going through school. So learning all this now and being able to teach students where to mark, how to say the word, how to pronunciate the word. These are all great tools that we have access to throughout this class. And then just the extra credit opportunities that we've had along the way with the prison read and that activity that we did. And then obviously this RISE certificate, doing this and being able to get 100% on the final is just a great opportunity to continue to grow, not only in this class, but in the future classroom that I'm in, and having that certificate and knowing what a word looks like, how to mark it, how to pronounce it. I mean, all those different tools that we learn in those videos is just going to help us. And so I've really enjoyed this class, even though it has been a lot. I have enjoyed pretty much all of it. This is something that I think a lot of teachers, even now that I work with, they could take this class and have some new ideas within their own teaching to help them maybe not necessarily become a better teacher, but give them extra resources and tools along the way to help them be able to reach certain kids who are struggling at the reading. So I hope you all have a great rest of your semester, and thank you for watching my video.